if I'm the importer of record and I sell the product to you, Pat, and then you turn around and export that product, can I claim drawback, or is it just the person I sold it to that they can claim drawback?
You could claim it. I would have to assign you that, though. The way the statute's written, it's the exporter, or the case may be the destroyer, unless it's assigned to an importer or the importer of record or an intermediary. So the exporter would have to assign that right to you, but you technically could.
Right. So basically either party could actually claim.
Right, right.
Correct. And so we get a lot of confusion in that is someone's always like, well, I'm this or I'm that, so I can't claim. Well, in all actuality, there are a lot of benefits, or there's a lot of options for you still to claim, even if you're not necessarily the exporter.
That's right. That's right.